So Lisa Anderson out of Dallas, Texas asks, can you make one wreath for both Halloween and Thanksgiving? To find out how we answered this challenge, stay tuned. Hey, good people. Welcome to Mommy Room Redo. This is a show to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we're going to create a fall wreath that you and your kids will absolutely love in 7 simple steps. Let's get started. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Step 1, shop for supplies. Shopping for this project was pretty cool, and it took me to a variety of retailers, which is always fun. My first stop was at Michael's, where I picked up this 12-inch wreath ring, which was approximately $4, and I was able to use my 20% off coupon. I also picked up this wire to help me attach various items. I then moseyed on over to the Dollar Tree, where I picked up the standard frame that you see all creators use for wreaths, as well as some rope for decoration. I then made a quick stop to Hobby Lobby, where I picked up this fall 2021 Decor mesh wired ribbon. It was priced at $8, but the store was running a half off sale on all fall goods. Then I went to Walmart, where I picked up some picks for about $2.99, as well as some orange spray paint. I then picked up the candy corn from Harris Teeter, but you can get that anywhere. And finally, I ordered this baby from Amazon.com. They offer it at Macy's, but it's probably twice the price. So now it's time to paint your wreath ring. This step is optional, but I did it because I didn't want any of the ring wreath cardboard to show through, so decide if this works for you. Step 3, attach your wreath ring to the wire frame. After your wreath ring dries, you'll want to use that wire to attach the 2 pieces together. Step 4, get the kids involved. Now this probably should be step 1, but since this is where you attach the candy, I think the kids will be just fine with this. So here you see my daughter Kyla. She's using the glue gun to attach the candy to the wreath ring, and it actually doesn't take that long, as she was watching TV and doing some other things in the middle, but she did get it done. She also added the rope that we purchased from the Dollar Tree. It's not absolutely necessary, but it does add another decorative element. Step 5, we added the wire ribbon. I don't want to take up a lot of time in this video, so please look at the other video where we did the burlap wreath. We used the same technique here. Step 6, decorate. I think the candies and the rope and just the colors are decoration enough, but I did add those picks that I purchased from Walmart. Step 7, add your main character. So I chose to add this buddy right here. I purchased it from Amazon for around $14. It was twice that at Macy's, and I think it really finished it off. What do you think? Tell me what you think about this kid-friendly Halloween Thanksgiving combo wreath. I think it came out pretty cool. Let me know if you've tried something similar at home. And while you're down in the comments, let me know what video you'd like to see next. Also, it's getting ready to be Black Friday, y'all. Do y'all want to come shopping with me, or do you want to give me some suggestions of where to shop? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.